Hey there, it's Kate from Flora and Finn, and I'm back with another floral cocktail. So today we're going to be working with Aperol, Elderflower Liqueur, lime juice, and tequila. Is it tequila? I don't know. It's an unlabeled bottle, and I think from the smell of it that's totally tequila, but do we know for sure? No. So let's get started. We have our glass already filled with ice, and I have my shaker already ready. And we're going to do first tequila. We're going to do 1.5 ounces. Ooh, that's a little bit more. Stick with 1.5 ounces, and then we're going to do about 3/4 ounce of elderflower liqueur. It's a pretty sweet liqueur, so we're going to balance it out with 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And then we are going to use our Aperol. We're going to do a full ounce of that. So the Aperol lends like a nice bitter taste to the cocktail, and we're just going to give it a good little shake. Okay. And then we're going to pour it in over our ice. And there we go, another very messy floral cocktail for you guys. And we're going to take a sip. So good.